This is a new app, memory inscription simulator, and this is the code of the app. I will also provide the link of the code. Also provide the code on the GitHub, and I can also provide the link of the code in the description box. Now I will run the app. Show the output to you. Simulate. This shall not record. Clear output. Now I will explain with the help of block. Memory security is an important aspect of computer architecture and cybersecurity. Modern systems often protect sensitive data by encrypted stored in memory to prevent unauthorized access. In this project, we build a memory inscription similar to application Python. Then how memory data can be encrypted and retrieved using simple XOR-based encryption technique. This application provides graphical interface where user can simulate how memory bytes are perceived, encrypted, and mapped to memory address. This project is essentially useful for students learning computer architecture, encryption concept, and low-level memory operations. What is a memory encryption? Memory encryption is used to protect data stored in RAM. Even if an attack gains access to memory, the information remains unreadable without the correct encryption technique. Modern processors are memory encrypted technologies such as secure memory encryption, total memory encryption. Project overview and memory content provide an excellent key description, memory block, and extra key feature and application. Key feature of the application: memory control including encryption key, memory block simulation, base memory address, XOR and system mechanism. The simulator use simple XOR for each byte. Encrypted byte equal to plain byte XOR round key. The round key change for each memory position. Round key equal to encrypted byte key is percentage by the source media module by the source media. This description that different bytes use slightly different encryption. Complex example. Output visualization. Encrypted memory image. Decrypted verification. Graphical interface. Output panel. Technology use Python Tinker Basic. Equal exhaust beauty, accurate representation, education benefit. Computer architecture fundamental. That's conceived inscription. Basic byte-level data is a Python GI development. Basic improvement. Possible improvement: AFS Charger 2020 memory visualization filing. The memory encryption demonstrate how memory encryption work at the conceptual level by using Python programming, encryption logic, and graphic interface. The application helps user explore how memory data can be protected from unauthorized access. Projects like this are valuable for bridging the gap between theoretical security concept and practical implementation. If you are learning computer architecture, cybersecurity, or Python development, tools like this is a great way to deepen your understanding of memory security system. Thank you so much for video watching. The code, the git code of the GitHub link, git the code is uploaded on the GitHub and the link is given downward. You can study the code from here. Thank you so much for watching video. Thank you so much.